Play! Play! Hola, I'm Diego, and this is Baby Jaguar. We're animal rescuers, and we need your help. A mean magician is using her magic wand to turn the wild animals into stone all over Africa. Those animals need our help. Help Baby Jaguar and me pick up all of the animals in our rescue truck before the mean magician turns them into stone. Let's do it. Al rescate. Here's a map of Africa I found on my field journal. It shows all of the places where animals need our help. First, we need to help the animals in the savannah, jungle, and the swamp. Then, we can go back to the African rescue outpost and take pictures of our animal friends in the wild. Or make great pictures of our rescues in our animal photo album. Let's go! Come on, vámonos! Swamp African Jungle Rescue. It's rescue time! Help Baby Jaguar and me to rescue all the animals that the mean magician turned to stone. To finish the rescue, we have to find all 4 of the animals that have been turned into stone. Use your mouse to help me drive the safari truck. Drive us over to any of the animals to pick them up. There are lots of great tricks to do with the safari truck. Just drive over ramps, springs, and loops to do great tricks. And if you drive over a speed boost, we'll start moving really fast. But watch out for big puddles or bushes that can slow us down. Ready? Al rescate! It's time for a rescue in the jungle. Here we go! Chimpanzee! More animals need our help. Gorilla. Antelope. Fantastico! You're a great animal rescuer! African Rescue Outpost. Let's check out the rescue outpost. We can take great pictures of our animal friends in the wild with Wild Snaps. Just click the camera to snap. Or animal photo to make fun pictures of. Welcome to Wild Snaps. Here, you can take pictures of all the animals we rescued. Move your mouse to make the camera move around the screen. When you see an animal, click on it to take a picture. Wild animals are fast, though. Be sure to aim well to get great pictures. We get 12 pictures each time. When you've taken all of your pictures, you can print out your favorite ones. And remember, if you want to go back to the rescue outpost, just click back at any time. Great picture taking. That looks great! Move your mouse to make the camera move around the screen. When you see an animal, click on it to take a picture. Great picture taking! That looks great! That looks great! That looks great! Move your mouse to make the camera move around the screen. When you see an animal, click on it to take a picture. Move your mouse to make the camera move around the screen. These look great! When you see an animal, click on it to take a closer look at it. Next, if you like your picture, click on Print to print it out. When you're done, click Play again to take more pictures or back to go to the rescue outpost. Print. African Rescue Outpost. Would you like to head back to the rescue outpost? No, yes. Welcome back Animal to the Photo Album. Rescue. We can put the different animals we've rescued into their natural habitat with the Animal Photo Album. To place an animal, click on the picture of the animal in the animal bank. Then, click anywhere in the picture to place the animal there. If you want to remove an animal from the habitat, just click on it and then click anywhere in the animal bank. You can also move any animal you've placed to find new places for them. Click on the animal and then click anywhere in the habitat to put them there. When you're ready, click on the printer icon to get a fantastic picture of the habitat. And if you want to go back to the rescue outpost, just click back anytime. African Rescue Outprint back Giraffe. Fantastico! Zebra. This looks great. Elephant. Lion. Next, chimpanzee. Next, gorilla. Print. Next, antelope. Next, leopard. Gorilla. Next, African gray hawk. Next, hippopotamus. Next, crocodile. Next, water buffalo. Next, giraffe. Next, Prince. African Rescue Outpost. Would you like to head back to the rescue outpost? Yes. Welcome back to the African Rescue Outpost.